like a Aries. Me a march with the thing them can't scare we. East side.
Why me and you sit down and drink?
What you want now?
Me and you sit down and drink.
Yeah, you have to come something different. Blood clot.
And you put me up. You see I want to.
Take up your bumbo clad.
No,
you never take him up. Hey, the man never take him up. When you can't man, just leave it alone.
What was? Me and friend. Me and
Me no want nobody take me up.
Look at me dead. For true, man.
Me don't go so I call him.
Yeah, bless course. Because the man, two of them junk. Listen to me, I say now. You say bogus there, and the man call him a junkie, you know. And two of them junkie now. Yo, and two of them junkie, the man can't manage him. So he say, go. And go, the rest say,
You look like a fantasy to one in the
yeah.
see.
Let me not tell
Now you that man say, come
that
here.
man junkie, you know that?
Cause you me see man
The
just
guy
drop.
alone is junk, chew your drop.
Man just drop.
Chew your drop, bumbo clad drop. But he alone is junk. The man junk, I'm in a junk, the man say, go, come here.
Say warm to this man.
Hey boss, they are going to face the blood clad. Me I said, yeah, no. They have a calling son, I said, come take up your daddy in your car, right? Now ain't good.
Yeah. Sonny I wanted that man, and Sonny look for him so. I said, come here, ghost. You know what
No, you don't say come here, ghost. Say, ghost, come here.
When you call ghost and I hear the man that drink.
The man drunk too, brother. We don't know junking. So how do you know about rum, please? You can know so when a man jump, you look crash. Anything we happen to you. When you jump, do it. So if two of them junk and can't win them, call him Fred. So how they say rum, please? Yeah, I'm going to taste rum. We drink rum. Yeah, we drink rum.
Like water from the pipe.
Hey, early morning you drink 1 quart with water, then you drink it rum and milk.
Yeah. I feel that.
So bumbo clad, I saw the kill and kill his son. I saw the kill and they kill his son. So that take up too much. Yes, see that take up blood clot too much. I mean, the blood, I saw me there, that's over there. Put it over there, sir. Over there, so if them there, I bush it. I'm there, so. And the two of them are drink and drunk. And if they call me, if they them, you know. Then drink till they drunk and drop 2 times. Rum please. I'm coming here.
Rum please. I would not.
Bumbo clap, me I talk to you. Come in never blind. You over there, so you're Sonny a drink. I'm there, so you can't get a drink.
Yes, then I call him.
You drop your face 2 times.
Then I call him.
And Sonny say, ghost.
That's him
Well,
again.
man, me help you.
Okay, you couldn't fit drink till you're a junkie.
Again, the fight. Tell him
When you crave your feet.
You would take cream fit to lift the area.
God, they shit. They live in my room. Yeah, master.
Can't do crave for him.
That two man can't do cream for me.
Let them go.
Well, lift from my road.
You want to joke something, you know? You want to joke something? I have your food in your belly. I first thing that, isn't it?
Yeah, your food, man. I'm going to make them man say, want some food, more junk, so much. It's time I see about
Yes,
food there, my chef. So, how are you there, Jim?
But Joseph, man, Joseph, call me and give me some star mother and the Roman.
I thought I some top on God.
Yes, some foreign things coming like from here.
Big pocket.
Oh, yeah, I was saying that man could even walk when you know me find me, yeah.
How are you?
That matter says this.
Dear me, Joe. Careful, I have to know him, you know, I want to think that me want you.
Dangerous alcohol.
Dangerous thing. I never drink back no more like that thing.
Yeah. Where I say it name?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Like I say, I see it on the internet. And test it, because that's on but 4 days, man.
It's a man that play for the tobacco, yes, sir, man. Let me know you're going to come back and tell me.
Yeah. Yeah, man, I forget that in a must body if it make a jump for 4 days. 4 days, you have to lie down, cock up foot.
Damn it. Yeah, but damn it. You're trying the blood clot.
Only one a bad man, right?
You see, I could do it, so to pussy clot, that smell, say, Rasta, do it on a train. You remember? Yeah, I could do it right there, so it's
Friend,
stupid.
man. I say I could go more time.
No, you're too light.
He begs me.
Hey, man, text your phone. Yo, you think me blind? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, you think me blind?
What that together?
Hey, the man text, I say, he can't breathe.
You don't see Bex. What I mean, that's all rum I go.
Hey, you tell the man said it's supposed to long, so I say, turn him out again. It's a hard work. You should have paid me everything one time, but he shot me money. I still have work for him. Hey, I work for him. All right, I put that piece in right, you know. You see a bumbo crack boy there? She not put me girl. Him. They one girl up so you know. And then I go up and call P. Turn back, I never know so I turn back. I said, well go say my sister go say. I said, no, you got up for the girl yard. I know sir. Listen up for the girl and long hard I mean, you know.
And them want to mash up whole heap of life, you know.
Look at them put the recipe number right now and they are
Friend. I'm a friend.
yeah, they may fuck one girl, I'm a girl.
When you tell lies, I'm a fuck man, I'm a fuck.
But you fucking got Capman stab him up over here so true you.
I'm a true man, I idiot.
Yeah, I mean, man, I never know.
I'm poor that film woman when
You did too. You did too.
idiot man.
Look at the full man. I mean, I tell them, you see? You see the bumper crap been over there?
You better not spokes them.
But you see them, remember, say so you use 26, but I want to 3 spokes now them. They can't use 700 spokes, it's 700 women now. But you, if I look at you, you see up here so, you see if you never have a belly, everything is good. But it's a dung in a hole something.
Yeah, dung hole, dung
So
deal.
look at it. Look at it.
Dung deal. Dung hole something.
But you see, 26, but 1 and 3 years, it's the other boy, you so you can see the spokes hold them like that, so. That's how it's going now.
So I said that can't work.
I have to go work it. But I say I can't put on a chain guard.
No chain girl in the paradise.
No, I'm going to tell you. Wish, you should have one. I'm going to tell everything. Can I tell him? I don't know. You know, this is we done. You know, this is we do. You know, right?
Someone get to my phone and fuck a man and let my phone.
When you say put the 5 days, it's not your fault. You see 5 days as well? Me blind. My phone not say good. You see 5 days as no yet?
That the receipt me get long time. Inside your cup then.
He dead.
Look how the boy wicked. Look how full of $500.
Not in there.
You could have seen that. You see that? You put 500 picture. But you put me bumbo club here, but I'm not too trusting. I never seen no.
If I need our mean man in put
See a bumbo club, boy. I didn't find out the club for my first girl, you know. See? But some of the guy I'm going to get a testimony. You have it?
good man.
Come here, say a good man, can fuck young boy, girl.
Yeah.
And his son can do it too. Him and Bumbo start to better take one girl from me, one nice girl, you know. Him brother no go find left it. When go and fuck it, he make skitter take it over. I'm a friend serious, man. I'm a friend.
Yeah, we have to listen to the pussy bullet them.
Yo. Yeah, that.
Where's some of us?
We have to listen to the pussy bullet them.
What do you mean that woman here? Hey, lizard. What do you mean that lady say? You see him, he can't live by the pussy here. That woman there. Yes, I tag. The man is that station, last time I. Hey, Digicel, yo! Come on, yes, man.
Digicel, no.
Come on, yes, yo!
You want to go phone all of them credit
My friend said I want chip. I miss the chip one. So you bumbo clock, you want chip. Come again and bumbo clock. Me happen again.
So you come to buy chip this man here and a bumbo clap.
Sometimes man
How you
have
think buy chip? You think of badness buy chip?
Go
I
buy
don't
one
know you bad boy.
chip.
You can get chip on them.
This one man say one
That's a
chip.
pussy, more chip. I get chip.
So you get the chips same time you buy a phone?
Yes, time me get the chip, me buy the chips, man. As me buy the phone, me see the man walk up and say no one chips to buy and set time me buy.
You mean, Digicel online?
I am Digicel. Digicel on my light still.
Yeah. So a banger you boy a touch kill.
A banger, man.
It's a banger you reckon. But the phone is strong still. You can't much shot that. I only see no much dropping on the water.
Yeah, man.
But you can get one and two drop.
One banger never. Me never mash up one banger. Must last banger plus from me. Me can't mash up banger.
I'm going to tell you, a banger up. A banger say run please. Yes, a banger say run please.
Yeah.
A banger up.
Up.
You ain't going to forget girl and put up something from this and that.
Yeah.
Me have a banger, me take away woman.
Where's it? Where's the boss?
Okay,
A banger, I'll take away woman.
Where's the take your boy guy with the banger? Yeah, me rate your phone. That's easy, you know. You're serious boy, you know. Cause enough boy can't do that, you know.
Enough man can't do
Enough boy can't do that. Have your style and pattern. So you're full of that.
Sure, man.
Get girl easy. Oh, yeah, some.
boy, oh easy ever get a girl.
Yeah, me no got one and my brethren say you want a girl and me say yes. And me think a joke and my brethren just call in a girl and me have to tend to the matter set time.
Oh, you mean? Give me a share.
Man, no easy
You're not easy to it.
God, the boss.
no easy
Same time.
set time.
Bang.
Them time that me not what tell girl I go get money cause me know my boss have the money in pocket.
Yeah. You don't have to worry yourself about money.
Me not for worry myself about money.
Well easy.
And then,
You are saying thing going.
so it things set, man.
Someone hard forget girl and someone easy forget girl.
Yeah.
You never see man every day and clean and come a road and you will just come a road and do your local thing.
Yeah, come see some man out the long time I look girl and some man that's me a fair wonder so a girl let you see the man there and make the man get him and me there so long I look him.
Yeah, you see me?
Yeah.
And I just easy I say 1, 2. Fast and quick.
Fast and quick, my friend.
No man, no
When
less time
you
man.
make me come somebody no come now, always try to intimidate them girl if they twin.
Yeah.
I say nothing.
Yeah.
Me say me want to do like when I do, just come around and get girl.
Yeah. And them man they do nothing hard, them man they just easy. Yeah. You want them in a dark show so get enough girl.
That's true, man.
You mean? Cause man fear enough woman.
Yeah, man. There are enough woman, man.
Yeah. So in a town, when they in a town, a whole heap of girl.
Yeah, whole heap of girl.
And I want to back Ron's business here with people.
What kind of backway business in there at all?
Blood clot thing, you know, so we stay far from people.
What kind of backway business in there at all?
Works to him. One works not do it, not mean.
Are you in a city you used to live with General?
Them live in a city sometimes place. Back in a day.
Which part in our city?
I live downtown there.
So the bad man place.
Near Tivoli.
Look, I see.
Which part of?
Near downside train line there.
What the full one there?
Bad man place I used to live, man. Good, I say.
Nowadays, me uptown car sometime me there. One place me never locate half a tree.
Yeah.
While cross one night asylum out them there.
Eh? Hey, okay.
Red Hills are all them place there, you know.
Yeah.
One time that told me not tired.
Moving. See a bad boy in here days.
That's all, man. Back in the 70s, yeah.
So you ever get locked up in here days?
You may get locked up yet.
From police?
You may get locked up as 20. And in that day, I forgot the quote of the young quote me not hear about. Because them quote they take long for done, you know. All 1 year, you know. And a one time I got the quote, you know.
Yeah.
And I listen for the man and call me, you know.
So back in the days, that's how long you take court they take for done?
Yeah. So a juvenile quote me in there.
So a boy violated your mushroom.
Yeah. No, I no violate.